Wait till they get moving again and I'll get some more activity. See the augers there moving the material, spreading it out through and then coming out back at the spreader. Checking the depth. The state guy said they're having a hard time getting any cross slope. At the same time they're keeping the depth because this was such a flat surface originally. They have their long ski mounted running on the other surface that's already in place in the other lane. We're out just right behind the machine. It's going to turn and look back westbound. See, they have tacked the roadway this morning, first thing. Standing in the control room, Dimmick Construction's asphalt plant. So here they got the computer screen with a readout, if you can see it or not. All these other controllers. This is a CMI drum plant. See outside the drum and the heat. And back this way, see the conveyor belts coming up where they it goes back around over there where they're dumping the mixed aggregates. Outside now. This is the control room I just came out of. See the conveyor and the hoppers. Try to move around here a little bit without getting run over. See, out there is the loader with the aggregates. To bring it in. Back over here and dump it in the hoppers. Comes in here. There's a shaker bin. And then on the line into the drum. Coming in to dump some of the aggregate. As soon as they pull out here, they got it's a state guy we need to talk to. We've got a guy actually helps tie down the beds of the truck, make sure the cover's on, and picks up the weigh ticket. Try to zoom in over here. You can see how it comes up the mixed asphalt, goes into that hopper there. They load the trucks out of that, which is actually sitting on a scale. Storage bins, the anti-stripping agent in the small tank. And we've got fuel oil and the AC tanks. Actually dumping a load there. They're between test sections 7 and 8. Come get a good overview. See the ski laid out. Machine running. This is looking eastbound. Westbound traffic coming at us. You can see the roller procedure. Got the pneumatic and the follow-up roller way on back down the road. Got the initial breakdown roller sitting there waiting, have a not long enough run to the paver to continue. Of course, over the crack and seed areas that they chip sealed yesterday. See the guy checking the ski pole, doing some marks, making sure that they're running the proper line. They're supposedly running 15 trucks. They come fairly staggered. They'll get a break for a while and then they'll get a fairly steady roll of trucks coming in. Here comes the breakdown roller. And going to turn and look back the other way and get a little more video of that rolling procedure behind us. I can see as the finish roller comes through, they're moving the barrels back over to allow more traffic room to pass. Standing here at station 520, which is the end of the latex supplemental section, 470662. See, they're coming along. Had a little problem with the changeover from the regular mix to the latex, but that's expected from the plant to have to change when they're hauling loads 40, 50 miles. Looking back westbound, you'll see they have 200 feet of transition here to 518 and then the polymer sections. Our plan showed routine maintenance. As said earlier, this has been May the 13th, about 9 after 7. They've had rain this morning. We're at continuation of SPS Tennessee 4706 on I-40 westbound. They're in a transition area now with the surface mix, getting ready to approach test section 03. See, they have the paver running. They're doing 1.5-inch compacted surface mix. Here they are moving into test section 03. Scan over here to the fence. There's our reference for station 0 of test section 470603. Coming in with a surface mix, they have re-tacked the lane since the rain. We'll go back here and look at some of the paving. Screws turning in. Of course, back behind is a rolling procedure. Paving crew has moved into test section 04. We just got a bunch of samples, 1 for MRL, 3 for the state, the surface mix. Have fairly steady with trucks. They're moving slower than I thought they would, but they're trying to get a real smooth pass and run. You can see up ahead they still have one